Hello everybody, Robert here with more Revit training, and today I'm asking another question. I had one of my subscribers say they couldn't see my cursor. I hope you can see it now. I'll get us a test, but I'm going to run through this video that you asked me about. Okay, so here we go. We're going to duplicate this view. I'm going to go to my level 1 here. I'm going to duplicate this view. Just duplicate it. You don't need to see all the line work. I mean, all of the dimensions. And here, I'm going to call this colored walls, I guess. Or it could be anything. Alright. So there we go there. I'm going to OK here. And now here what we want to do is we want to go into our visibility graphics by keying in VV, or we can go in the view tab up here and select visibility graphics here. And then we go down, we can filter these out, but it wouldn't be that hard to find. We'll go to walls here. There are walls, and so here we'll select the walls, and then we have these overrides. So here, this is the projection surface, and this is our cut plane. So in a plan view, we'll be looking at a cut plane. So here, the lines will be, you can change the lines here, but for in this case, we're going to go and override the colors. So here we want to select pattern. I'll pull this down, and I want to get the solid fill here. And then the color, we can make this any color we want, or we can use this, pull this guy up here, see how that changes as we go along. See the green here, or we can just select red, and we can go add here, OK, and OK. And as you can see there, hit apply, OK. And there go our color walls. So now we can go back and do this again. We can change these guys out. I might want to make this coarse. Yeah, because we don't need, if we want to color them all, we don't need to see the exterior walls, because this is going to be just for this view. And then you can go here and we can change this quite easily. So I'll go back into my visibility graphics here and go back down the walls. Where are they? Yeah, there they are. And you could just change the pattern here. Click it. We got solid fill again. We can change this color to, let's say, make it green here. Add it. See, it goes there. OK, OK, apply, OK. So that's how that's done. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. But that's how that's done. Easy. It's, as I said, it's simple. It's just a matter of changing. Now I'm going to, hopefully you can see my cursor now. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Thank you for your support, and I'm very sorry that before we could not see the cursor. I think you can see it in this video. I'll test it to make sure. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video. Everybody be safe and bye. Please subscribe. Take care. Bye.